Let's make this effect.
First, I'm gonna show you how to make an image like mine. On ChatGPT, write this prompt and send it. I'll leave it in the description. You should get an image like this. Now on Photoshop, remove the lock. On Selection tool, select any unwanted objects. Press Ctrl X to cut. With Magic Wand tool, click on the cropped area. Press Shift plus F5 to open Fill menu. Make sure Content Aware is selected. Press OK. Now Ctrl plus D to deselect all. On the Object Selection tool, click on the image you want to keep. Now Ctrl C, then Ctrl V. Now we have two layers. Make sure that only the layer you want is on the view mode. You click File, Export, and export it as PNG. Now we should have an image like this. Please subscribe. On Adobe After Effects, click on the image we want. Press Ctrl D on your keyboard to duplicate it. On the Effects panel, search for CC Light Swap. Drag it and drop it on the duplicated layer. The anchor point must be on the middle. Make sure that sweep intensity is 0 to remove the light on the middle of the image. You can put any color you want and make the tweaks as you desire. Now for the direction. While holding Alt on your keyboard, click on the direction stopwatch icon. Type time star 120. That's it. Please subscribe to my channel if I saved your time.